Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave. And every day I am asked, Dr. Dave, we know what you like to eat, but do you really walk the walk and talk the talk? Or are you just telling us what to do? Well, I'm here to show you what's in my refrigerator. So come on over. So you can see here that my refrigerator really is a reflection of everything I speak about every day. I have oat milk, which is now my new favorite non-dairy liquid. We have almond milk. Yes, we do still have traditional good old milk, but that's because of preference for some of the family members. We have peanut butter, and this peanut butter I absolutely love because, once again, we're looking at the ingredients. What are the ingredients? Dry roasted peanuts. That is it. So we like our peanut butter. We have egg whites. We have guacamole. Now, I actually like to get fresh avocados, but sometimes it's not practical. So we have guacamole, lots of lettuce, tons of lettuce. We have jalapenos. We have salsa, love salsa. One of my favorite things in the world is hummus. We have hummus here. We have a batch of quinoa with beans and carrots. We have broccoli. I mean, we are loaded with whole food, full of nutrition, vitamins, minerals. There are a couple of things that we do have in the refrigerator that I am not completely on board with, but there's more than just Dr. Dave in this house. So once in a while, things do sneak in. This is a barbecue sauce. I happen to love spicy or hot sauces, but the problem I have with this barbecue sauce, if you look here, is, oh wow, this has 12 grams of sugar per serving. 12 grams, that's like 3 teaspoons of sugar per serving. And there's 16 servings, so this is loaded with sugar. The other thing I have to be very careful about is really bad culprits like mayonnaise. This is not me. I did not buy this, but it's here, and I have to be open with you guys, full disclosure. Even Dr. Dave's refrigerator is not perfect. Finally, just a couple more things. Another thing I absolutely love, it's one of my favorite things in the world, is I love frozen berries. They stay for a long time. Remember, when they were frozen, they were at peak nutrition, so you still get all the nutrition you get all the nutrition you would get with regular berries. We have raspberries. We have pineapple chunks. We have mixed vegetables. So lots of great alternatives here. And so when I come to you guys with my recommendations, I am talking the talk and walking the walk. Okay, until next time, this is Dr. D.